Hello class, Mr. Stone here. The problem I found online today, it's kind of colorful, so I figured I'd pick it. It looked pretty good. It's 3 1/3 plus 1 2/3 divided by 1 1/4 plus 3 3/4. Okay, there's a couple ways to solve this. I'm going to show you the fast way first, and then I'll go through the slower way. Okay, if I was to look at this on an exam or a quiz, what I'd probably do is break this apart. I'd take the whole numbers, the 3 plus the 1, okay, equals 4. I'd do that. Then I'd take the 1/3 plus the 2/3. 2/3 equals 3/3, which equals 1. I'd add these two together, I get 5. So now my top number is 5. Okay, 5. Now, I take the bottom one. I take the 1 plus 3 equals 4. Then I take the 1/4 plus the 3/4 equals 4/4 equals 1 equals 5. So I'd have 5 over 5. Any number over itself, 5 over 5 equals 1. 2 over 2 equals 1. 3 over 3 equals 1. So the answer is 1, and that's all there was to it. But that's what I'd do. If this was on a quiz or a test real fast, I'd just break it apart, okay? I'd break the fractions off from the whole numbers, and hey, add them up separate, okay? It's a little easier, okay? Another way you could do this, if you wanted to do it, you could take here, I'm going to change the color of the pen, okay? Let's get a green one going, okay? So I'm going to make 3 1/3. Let's change that to an improper fraction, okay? So the way you do that, remember 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. So I'd have 10/3 for that first fraction. 10/3. Now, on the second one, I'd have 1 2/3. 2/3. 2/3. So 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5. Equals 5/3. So this is 10/3 plus 5/3 equals, you add right across, remember? And you keep the denominator the same, so we got 15/3. Okay, and that's what that equals. Now let's do the other one. We got 1 1/4. So 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5, equals 5/4. 5/4. Now we write 3 3/4. So 4 times 3 is 12, plus 3. Okay, remember, you multiply that and you add that. Okay, you add that. Okay, so we get 15/4. 15/4. We add these together, plus 15/4 equals 20/4. Okay, so hey, now what we got is these two numbers divided by each other. Okay, that's where we're at right now. Okay, we got to divide these numbers. So hey, you remember what you do there is you keep, change, flip. So I'm going to just, let's change the pen to a blue pen. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite this. Okay, let's kind of like, I like to get nice and neat so I can figure out where I am in life. Okay, there. That way I separated this so if I get time at the end, I can go back and check all these addition type things. Okay, so I got 15/3, 15/3. Now we keep, change, flip. So it was a division sign, so now it's going to be a multiplication. So we flip it, we put the 4 on the top. And the 20 on the bottom. So hey, 5 will go in this 3 times, 5 will go in this 4 times. Equals 12 over 12. Equals 1. So no matter how I did it, I still come up with 1. But you see how you can do it a different way? But if this was on a test or a quiz, what I do first, I just separate it up, add the whole numbers, add the fractions, because you got the same denominators, so you can add those right together really easy, okay? And even if they weren't, you could change. Say it was an eighth instead of 2/8 instead of a quarter, you could change it back into quarters, okay? So that's what I do, and you could solve this problem in probably 30, 40 seconds and say, hey, I'm moving on to the next one. I'm gone. Okay, and I got it right. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, more people will see it. If you know any students in school, please show them this, because they might see this on a quick quiz someday, and they might get flustered and not know how to solve it. They might say, hey, Mr. Stone showed me 2 different ways to solve this, but I'm going to do the fast way. Okay, thank you very much. Bye-bye.